Hello everyone, welcome to another installment of the Naviate Feature of the Week series. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at how Naviate Accelerate can help us bridge the gap between Revit native out-of-the-box schedules and anyone who's fancies themselves proficient with working with Excel documents. So we all know how difficult Revit out-of-the-box schedules can be to manage and finalize and punch all of our data into. And I'm sure there's a bunch of you out there who are incredibly good at Excel and find yourself wasting time, losing productivity over having to do all of that work within Revit's native schedule environment. Naviate Accelerate has gone ahead and created a feature specifically to overcome these hurdles. So with Naviate Accelerate, if we come into our collaboration panel, we go to Link and Sync, we have our export import function, which allows us to export any of our Revit schedules out to an Excel document from which we can then go ahead and fill out all the data we need, move stuff around, go ahead and finalize that schedule. And then with the import function, we can bring all of that data directly back into the schedule we exported, saving us the time and hassle of having to modify that schedule within the Revit environment. So what I have here is my room finish schedule. This is a schedule I used to dread having to work on when the time came within my project to fill it out. Obviously, I have a relatively small schedule here, but we can imagine hundreds and hundreds of rooms having to get filled out with all of their finish information, comments, whatever values need to live there. Naviate Accelerate's export-import function is going to help me expedite this process by allowing me to do all of the updates I need to the data in the schedule within the Excel environment. So let's go ahead and take a look at the process. I'm going to go ahead and hit the export import function here in my ribbon. It's going to launch my dialog box where I'm going to go ahead and tell Naviate which schedule I want to export to Excel. Go ahead and hit the export button. We'll give it a name and a location. I'm just going to drop it on my desktop here, my room finish schedule. Go ahead and hit save. And now that it's exported, Naviate's letting me know that it exported. No issues. There were 30 cells of values exported. And it's also asking me if I want to open the exported file in Excel. So if I want to, I don't even need to go launch Excel outside of Revit. I don't need to go through File Explorer to find this. I can actually open the document right here without having to go anywhere. So I'll go ahead and hit open. That's going to launch Excel for me. And there I have my room finish schedule ready to be edited. So at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste some data around to fill this schedule out. So bear with me a minute or two. And now that I've done filling in all of the cells I want to fill in for the schedule, I'm ready to go. It's ready to go back into Revit as needed. I'm going to go ahead and hit save here, close Excel. And then back in Revit with my Link and Sync ribbon still open, I'm going to hit Export Import again. And this time I'm going to go over to the Import tab of that dialog box. Use the little three dots over here to locate the schedule or the Excel document that I want to bring in. We'll hit Open. And there I'm going to get a preview of all the data that's going to be imported. So that's all the information that I just edited in Excel. I'll go ahead and hit Import. And there we can see in real time all of that data getting pushed from that Excel file into my native Revit schedule. And again, I'm getting this notification letting me know that the model update has been completed. We have 30 values updated, no errors. Perfect, we're good to go. So that's how we can use Naviate Accelerate's export import function to help expedite the process of finishing out some of these Revit out-of-the-box schedules for our projects within the Excel environment where we might be significantly more efficient, might be easier to utilize than Revit's native scheduling environment. That's all we have for you today. I hope you found this video helpful, and we will see you next time.